In this video, I'm just going to show you how to add a bio on Twitch, and if this does help you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. I am the Digital Tutor, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is open up a new browser and come across to twitch.tv. And so you might want to add a bio, just simply because it gives your audience and viewers and people that come across your channel an idea of who you are, what kind of games you stream, things like that. So it's very simple to do, and what you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to come and click on your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then just come down and click onto settings. So from here, what you're going to want to do is you've got some options at the top, and you want to make sure you're clicked onto profile. And then this is where you come to change things on your profile. So things like your profile picture, your profile banner, and obviously your about me bio. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you click onto profile and then scroll down the page. And you'll see if I scroll down slightly, I get to this section here, which says profile settings. So this is where you can come to actually add, update, or change your bio. You can see the section here is here. So I'm just going to change this up a bit. So I'm going to put, I am the Digital Tutor, I like pizza, something random. You know, you can put what you want really, as long as it falls within the guidelines. So make sure you don't put any profanity or bad words or anything like that, because you will face potentially getting your account banned. Once you've done that, all you're going to want to do is come and click onto the purple Save Changes button, which will pop up down here at the bottom. And if that's gone through and saved successfully, you'll be presented with a tick like so. And you'll see what's going to happen is if I now click onto my profile icon and come across to channel, you will see that obviously it's very basic, because this is one I use to do tutorials to help you guys out. And you will see right at the top, you can see the bio section is there. And if I actually scroll down the page as well and click onto about over here, you will see there is also a bio there which pops up. So that's how you do it. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.